Depp and Heard got married at the actor's private island in the Bahamas. Soon after, while filming Pirates of the Caribbean: Dead Men Tell No Tales in Australia, Depp allegedly suffered an injury in his hand for which he needed to undergo surgery. Depp reportedly received the injury during an argument with Heard. Warner panics over Aquaman 2 as everyone turns on Heard. The actor spoke about his take on the villainous role would differ from Depp's rendition in an interview with EW in December last year. No, this is the tricky part. We're still working it out. There has to be a bridge between what Johnny did and what I'm going to do. And at the same time, I also have to make it my own. But also, we have to find a few links to the previous version of the character and some bridges so it doesn't completely detach from what he's already masterfully achieved, he said. Mads Mikkelsen, who rose to fame after playing Tony in the first two films of the Pusher trilogy, would be seen as Gellert Grindelwald in the third installment of Fantastic Beasts. Eddie Redmayne, Catherine Waterston, Jude Law, Dan Fogler, Alison Sudol, and Ezra Miller will be reprising their roles from the last two films. David Yates is directing the untitled third part from a screenplay by J.K. Rowling and Steve Kloves. Rowling, Kloves, David Heyman, and Lionel Wigram are producing. In November 2020, Depp revealed he will no longer play Grindelwald in the film series after he lost his libel case relating to abuse allegations by former wife actor Amber Heard against a UK newspaper. He shared a statement on Instagram saying that Warner Bros., the production house financing the film, had asked him to resign in light of the court's verdict. Depp went on to assert his innocence and said he planned to appeal. Mads Mikkelsen's casting. After Depp's firing, there were rumors of Mikkelsen being roped in to play Grindelwald. Deadline reported that the Danish actor, known for playing Hannibal Lecter, was Yates' first choice to play the Dark Wizard. Mikkelsen denied these reports and claimed to only be aware of the development as much as the newspapers did. "Oh, that is on the rumor basis as we speak, so I know as much as you do from the newspapers, so I'm waiting for that phone call," said the actor according to Screen Rant. In November 2020, Warner Bros. Confirmed Mikkelsen joining the cast of Fantastic Beasts 3. This development was also confirmed by Warner Bros. In a statement. Johnny Depp will depart from the Fantastic Beasts franchise. We thank Johnny for his work on the films to date. Depp reportedly was asked to leave after shooting one day on the film. He was paid for the whole film but had a 5-picture deal, and Warner Bros. Was on its toes trying to book a new actor. According to The Hollywood Reporter, he had only filmed one scene before being fired from the project, so Mikkelsen would not need to replicate much footage. Fans on social media had petitioned for Depp to be reinstated in the film. Recently, many have once again taken to social media and trended the hashtag #JusticeForJohnny. They have also objected to Heard's continuation in her Aquaman 2 role, the shooting for which has kickstarted. He added that landing the opportunity was a shocker, especially after the events that led to it. He also wished both Depp and Heard his best, and hoped they would be back in the saddle again. In a recent interview with The Times, he said while he was unsure whether Depp losing the role was fair, but producers knew that the show must go on. Mikkelsen, he wished he could have talked to Johnny Depp before giving his nod to the third installment of the Harry Potter spin-off franchise. And I know it's controversial for many people, but that's just the way it plays out once in a while, he explained. The former couple first met on the sets of the 2011 film, married in 2015 and divorced 2 years later. As allegations of abuse emerged, with various accusations being made back and forth, it seems that the two have been embroiled in a never-ending legal and personal battle. The pair began dating after Depp split from his previous partner, Vanessa Paradis. In January 2014, People magazine reported the couple was engaged. They also made their first appearance as a couple at the 7th annual Heaven Gala in 2014. Later that year, Depp and Heard faced legal trouble in Australia when it was revealed that the couples illegally transported their pet Yorkshire Terriers over, failing to put them through Australia's 10-day pet quarantine. The couple were let off the hook after issuing an apology video. Johnny Depp, on Wednesday, 8th of July, denied claims of domestic violence against his former wife Amber Heard during the second day of questioning in his libel trial in London. Depp is suing The Sun's publisher, Newsgroup Newspapers, and its executive editor Dan Wooton over an April 2018 article that said he had physically abused Heard. The Pirates of the Caribbean star said Heard's claims that he assaulted her on multiple occasions are totally untrue. Newsgroup Newspapers is disputing the claim for libel and said there is overwhelming evidence that he attacked Heard while under the influence of alcohol and drugs between 2013 and 2016. In March 2015, Depp reportedly got into an argument with Heard and proceeded to smash bottles, windows, and other items around the residence. Heard files for divorce from Depp after 15 months of marriage, citing irreconcilable differences. Less than a week later, she files a domestic violence restraining order against Depp, which is granted. Post this, Depp and his legal team filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife in March of 2019, where they argued that the claims made in the op-ed were categorically false. The lawsuit also suggests that Heard was actually the aggressor in the relationship and had abused Depp. Depp believed that Disney dropped him from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise in the wake of Heard's op-ed, which his attorneys believed Heard wrote in an attempt to generate positive publicity for Heard and advance her career. According to court documents, Heard claimed that Depp showed up to her birthday party on the 22nd of April, inebriated and high, and violently shoved me to the floor after grabbing her by the hair. The actress referred to Depp as the monster multiple times in the court filings and claimed he wouldn't remember the abuse due to his excessive drinking and drug use. By August 2016, the couple finalized their divorce, reaching a $7 million settlement, which Heard went on to donate to the Children's Hospital Los Angeles and the American Civil Liberties Union. Heard wrote an op-ed piece which was published by the Washington Post about the aftermath of accusing Depp of domestic violence, though she did not identify him by name. The Aquaman actress wrote that she felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. In a statement to E! News, Depp's attorney, Adam Waldman, said, "We filed a partial list of evidence that we will use to disprove the fraudulent underlying allegations against Mr. Depp."